In this video, I want to show you how to contact AT&T customer support team. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and then type in AT&T, and we're going to head on over to their official website. So we're going to go to att.com. And now once we're here, it will say on the top right hand corner, support. Click onto support. You might get a pop-up that appears. Just click out of that pop-up. All right, so the first way what we can do to contact their customer support is open up that chat window and just say, hey, enter a question or response. Just say, hey, I would like to speak to one of your live customer support team members, and they'll redirect you that way. And then on this page here, we've got wireless, internet, or my account. So depending why you want to contact their customer support team, if it relates to wireless, click on wireless, internet, my account, just choose which one. So for example, if we want to get internet help, we're going to click on get internet help here. And now once we're here, we want to scroll down and look for a phone number or email. So what I've noticed, it's down the bottom here under helpful info. So we got contact us here, so we can give them a call. So if you got bill, account, and tech support, they've got a number here and when to call them, Monday to Friday, 8 AM to 8 PM, new service, disability resources, etc. But there's no real way to email them, or what I've seen here, we've got to go through some of these tabs here. But a quick way is to find their email address is go to a site called pissconsumer.com. This is it here. So let's click into this website, and now from here we're going to do a search. So at the top it says search. I'm going to type in AT&T, and then I'm going to hit enter. So here it is here, att.com, and then below that will say contacts. So we've got these different tabs: review, contact, Q&A. Click on contacts. You might get an ad, just close out of the ad. And now we've got more numbers we can call. We've got a toll-free number, and also we've got a mail, so we can email their customer service line. Got legal, investors, franchising, etc. Or click send message. And if we click on more phone numbers and emails, they're going to give us some more phone numbers and emails as well for AT&T. So yeah, there's plenty of ways how to reach out to their customer support team on pissconsumer.com.